Oh, my name is Joseph. This is for homework 5. You see, I have the data source ready here, and the result folder is empty right now. And once the code starts running, trace file will get populated here. And here is the code ready. So I'm going to quickly run the code for now. At this point, I'm running for soybean. So here we go. Okay, it's printing out. It is done printing. So I'm gonna go up and explain what is being printed here. So up here, okay, up here. So I'm printing out. So because I'm using one hot coding for discretizing and digitizing the data source. And here for categorical data source for soybean, I'm using code length of 7. This is the training data size, and this is testing data size. So this is sample 1 with code. So now here I started training logistic regression. So the weights are initialized to this range. So this is very small range to avoid the saturations of sigmoid function. So this is the tray after the training is completed. This is what the weight looks like for each classes. So we have 4 classes for soybean: D1, D2, D3, D4. So for each classes we have weight, which is initialized in this range, but now you can see the value has changed because it updated or it learned by using the training data. So here down here, I tried to predict the test style because now at the beginning of the training, the data source is split into the training and the testing. So this is testing set. So you can see there is 100% achievement because there is 0 classification error, and the logistic regression was able to predict all of them accurately. So next is bias model. So the bias model is trained, and this is what the model parameter looks like a priori, like for each class a priori is here, and conditional probability for each class, each feature is printed here. And once the model learned the probabilities, here I tried to do predictions, and it is very poor. It got an error of 77%, almost it did nothing. So this is a sample prediction. Okay, so now here is for Adaline testing. So Adaline testing, again, so after training and learned the weights, this is the printout for the weight, what the algorithm learned. And so after using those weight, I tried to do classification, again prediction, and it was able to predict everything correctly because there is a 0 classification error, and this is what the prediction looks like. So once the code finish executing, this is you can see here the trace files are stored, and you see here now if I open this one is the soybean Adaline model. So it saves the weights, and here it is test result for, again, let me open quickly. It is test result for Adaline, and yeah, you can see there is a 0% error. And let me open one more for the other learning models. So this one, for example, is bias model, and it's there is this many classification error. So that is it. Thank you so much.